Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan RT. As you can see, it has all the power doors. Those can be made manual if needed. This is a rear entry mobility van. Very easy to operate. I can do the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got these clamps here. Keeps these ramps from rattling. It's a very good design. Has a handle on the passenger side or the driver's side. I'm going to use the passenger side. Look there, spring assisted. I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. The ramp is 34 inches wide. It does taper down to 32 inches there in the middle. Excuse my footprints, I was taking pictures in there. Got 8 tie down points so it can hold a gurney or a stretcher. Also made it to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. Roof headliner looks great. It's got the entertainment system up there. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. There we go, turned on the dome lights inside, a little better. Got the rear air controls, got your entertainment center, got your controller up there. Dash is in excellent shape. Got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control. Got the super nice console in here. Plenty of cup holders. Got 21 inches of room between these 2 seats. If you need more, if you're going to try to get 2 wheelchairs in here at a time, we can make some modifications on this. So let us know what you need, and we'll be happy to try to build a van to fit your needs. You got everybody secured. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle. So you got tie downs. If you want to shut the trunk lid, you can do it with a key. You can do it back here on the panels. Also, if you want to make these doors manual, say you're going to use this for a taxi cab, you can come back here, turn that off. Now these become manual sliding doors. So whichever your flavor, they can be manual or electric. The second row of leather seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Very clean. Super clean carpets. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. We always show you the VIN number so you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. Both seats are power seats. Very nice leather with the red stitching in. Overall super clean van. You can see the current miles 71,152 currently. This van also has the auto start, which hit the button there twice. It's great for this time of year if you want your vehicle to be all warmed up and defrosted once you get outside, or if you just want it to be warm, even if it's in your garage. It's a great feature to have if you decide you want to shut it off. Just hit that button twice. So overall, super clean van. Do a quick walk around of it. We've got the alloy wheels. All these tires have quite a bit of tread left on them. They're not brand new, but they're certainly not bald either. It's got the tinted windows. Very clean van. It's hard to find a dent or scratch in this van. We've inspected the van, made sure everything on it works. You can see this is the RT trim, so it's kind of like a Chrysler Town and Country. Fully loaded, very clean. The van does have 71,000 miles on it, but you wouldn't guess it by looking at how clean it is inside and out. There's the power seat on the driver's side. Just wanted to show you over here. Full leather, very clean. When I go to turn the van on, fires up first time every time. You can see all the dummy lights go out. There's no airbag, no check engine lights, none of those on. Got the backup camera there as well for your safety. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaking, no signs of any no car wreck signs, no signs of being pulled from the bottom of a lake or anything. You know, I'm buying from the same perspective y'all are. I don't want something with a bunch of issues. Very clean underneath. Again, no signs of any damage or anything like that. You'll notice our competition, they don't even show pictures of the undercarriage. They rarely, and they definitely don't do videos. What a lot of these people are doing, they're buying vans from Chicago and New York, and they're buying them for a lot less than what we're buying them for. And they're trying to make their prices look like ours. And they're buying them all rusted out. And you can see under here, there's a little bit of surface rust, which is to be expected on a 4-year-old vehicle with 70,000 miles. But this will pass inspection, no problem. You get these vans that are all rusted out, they won't pass an inspection. That's the number one mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looked pretty in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice. They assume because it had low miles on it. They assume it's a good vehicle. They assume the transmission works properly. They assume that it's not all rusted out underneath. Don't be one of those people that gets burned on the internet like people do every day. Demand a detailed video like this. Know exactly what you're getting. And if you're dealing with someone that won't do a detailed video for you, then who you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? So let me get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run, so you don't have to assume that it runs good, so you don't have to guess that it runs good, so you don't have to spend $20,000 or $30,000 and hope it runs good, so you know it runs good. Let's go. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on the highway, so you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this vehicle is road worthy. With that being said, please realize you're buying a used vehicle. Please realize you're buying wholesale prices. We undercut the competition generally by $10,000 or $15,000. With that being said, I cannot afford to be your warranty company. I strongly suggest a warranty with each used vehicle. And also, when you're comparing us to the competition, check out our Better Business Bureau rating. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Cruise control works great, by the way. Accelerates nicely. The steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. That's exactly what we want. Going back to the competition, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Check out our reviews online. Look us up on Google, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Look at all the great things people had to say about us. And the reason for that is very low pressure sales. These vans, our videos, our reputation, and our price. That's what sells our vehicles. We are no pressure whatsoever. Either you want to buy or you don't, and I promise if you don't buy this van, I promise you someone else is going to. Also keep in mind, a lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you find out they have $500 or $1,000 in administrative fees. Then you find out you got to pay for your own shipping, and next thing you know, their price went from comparative to ours to $2,000 or $3,000 above ours. So that's one way they get you. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So a very clean van. Yes, it does have a few miles on it, but I do believe if it's taken care of, it should make a great van for your family, for your business, or whatever use you have set out for this van for many years to come. Also, we get out and make these videos. Like I mentioned, just assuming things. That's the #1 mistake you can make. You know with this van, you know what you're getting. You know it goes down the highway smoothly. You know you've seen the entire body. You've seen the interior. You've seen everything on the van work. These videos are worth thousands of pictures. So keep that in mind. One thing we do, the competition doesn't. They just try and sell you on some pictures. Also keep in mind, I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here in the rain. I'm out here laying on the ground because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I'm not a used car salesman. That's the difference between doing business with us and the competition. With them, you're talking to a used car salesman. They're probably not going to be working there in a month or two. They're probably going to be chasing that paycheck to the next used car store. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't really care if you get the truth. All they care about is that commission check. Well, folks, I'm here to tell you I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want your repeat business. I want you to tell your cousin about us, your brother, your neighbor. A reputation matters, and knowing that you get the truth, that you are treated honestly and fairly, it matters to the owner. It doesn't matter to a used car salesman. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give them a call. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. Text me anytime. I try to get the cell phone number of the owner of one of those big companies, because that's my number. That's my cell phone number. I am the owner. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316. That's mobility316.com. Again, we do have free shipping in the lower 48 states. We do have financing available. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.